Hello mga kabayan, good morning, and today I'm going to show you what 14,000 pesos per month can get you here in Araneta sa Ticobao. So today I'm going to tour you inside our pre-selling condominium here in Araneta. So this one is Loran Park that will be turned over this August 2028, and I'm going to show you our model unit for the studio. So this one kasi mas marketable siya unlike the 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom units. Syempre if you're working abroad and then medyo mahirap i-manage yung property ninyo, mas better if you'll get a studio over 2-bedroom unit kasi this one can be marketable through many Filipinos, especially students who can afford the monthly payments for their rentals. So what's good about this unit is that we're already smart home equipped, meaning all our system here is smart home. And then this will be the sample one. This is already our smart switches. So soft touch na sila lahat. Right there. I don't know if napapansin nyo na namamatay yung ilaw. Yan. So for this one, this can also be controlled through the use of your smartphone. So very siya, modern. And also once ma-turn over sa inyo yung property, I'm going to show you the deliverables upon turnover. First one is here. This is just a provision for our washer and dryer. May abang na tayong water line here, and then yung pinakang socket ninyo kapag mag-washing. And then here naman, this is also an upgrade. So you can put here your oven or microwave. So pwede nyo siyang gayahin upon turnover. And right here, this will be your kitchen area. So as you can see, very modern yung finish natin. We have here solid countertop, mirror up granite. Also kasama na tong 2-burner cooktop, and then our range hood. Ayan. And we already have here the overhead cabinets and then the under counter cabinet. And right here naman, this will be your fridge area we're in. Provision lang din yung pag-provide namin. So for the height of the fridge, this one is 6 feet. Yan. So para magkaroon kayo na idea kung ano yung ref na pwede nyong ilagay sa unit na to. And then right here, this is going to be the dining area wherein kaya mag-fit ng 2 to 3 chairs for this specific table. And then right here naman, pwede kayo maglagay dito guys ng partition if you wanted to do conversion of the unit into a 1-bedroom. Pag dito, pwede kayo maglagay ng sliding door. From here to here. Ayan. Now let's go to the sleeping den. But before we discuss it, let's check first the common toilet and bath. So what I like about Mega World Project is that when it comes to their common toilet and bath, very hotel-like yung finish. We have tiles on the floor, also on the side, on the walls. Yan, so nakatiles sila lahat. And right here, we have the lavatory, sink faucet, and also pinakang vanity mirror natin, and then the water closet or the toilet bowl. And then right here will be our partition for our bath and then the toilet. And ito na yung turnover natin kapag nasa toilet area. So shower head is already included upon turnover of the property. Also this one, the towel rod, and then here for the tissue holder. So for this specific unit then, this is also a motion sensor. Kapag pumasok ka sa toilet and bath, automatic magbubukas yung ilaw ninyo, and then kapag walang movement within the area, automatic mamamatay na yung ilaw for you to save then an energy or electricity. So in the sleeping den, which is this one, sleeping area, so part of the deliverable will be this 2-door modular closet. This 2-door modular closet guys, this one po, already upgrade na to. Kasi during turnover, usually ang cabinets namin ay yung pinupull. So ganito siya ginaganon. Ayan. So ito yung pinaka-space nyo for the bed. For me, any bed can fit here. Kasi malawak po yung space niyo for a 29 square meter. And then here, nagkaroon lang dito na side table and the other part. Ito na may entertainment area. So what's nice about this one, they really maximize the space by putting shelves here para mapaglagyan din yung other stuff ninyo, like yung mga books niyo and other furnitures. This one is a table para working station na rin. Kapag mag-work from home kayo, television will be here, mounted siya sa pinakang wall, so pwede nyo siyang gayahin din. And dito, konting table lang din, since itong beam na to ay kasama kasi during the turnover. So part siya ng layout. And then yun din, ginawa natin with the bed. Ayan. So you can also incorporate that during turnover of your unit. And what I like about this one is huge window tayo from here to there. Almost floor to ceiling din yung window natin. And then we have provision for a window type aircon. So this is everything you'll be getting for a studio unit here in Araneta City. This one is the very first smart high-end condo inside the township here in Cubao, Quezon City. So if you want to know more about the available units we have, please don't hesitate to send me a message for pricing, sample computation, and to do a showroom visit. I'm Kenny Manasala, Assistant Sales Manager here in Mega World Corporation. See you again on my next video. Bye everyone.